Hey guys, welcome back to another quick form video. Sorry if I look like a mess. I just came back from cutting the grass outside and everything, so doing a little gardening work. But I figured, hey, it's best time to do this video. So yeah, guys, let's get into it. So today we're talking about a new, I wouldn't say a new phone, but a new phone that's on Boost Mobile's lineup, at least, that you can order from boostmobile.com. So if we go to phones, guys, and I want you to leave me a comment below before you even watch the rest of this video or any spoilers to see what phone it is that came to Boost Mobile. So let's go to all phones. So of course there is still a promotion going on with the 20% off new Android phones, but that's not what we're talking about today, guys. Today, let's scroll down. This is pretty exciting news. Actually really nice and very good price. So look at this, guys. The Galaxy Note 8 pre-owned is actually available on Boost Mobile's website, guys. Yes, look at that. You're saving $100. You can get it for $500, but Boost Mobile has it discounted $100, so you can get it for $400, guys. That's a really good price for a Note 8, which is by far a very, very good flagship phone, especially for that price. You're getting a good deal. Yeah, they even have it in black, and what is this? It's a Orchid Gray, which is actually sold out. Orchid Gray is like a purple. I always call it purple, but it's called Orchid Gray, which is nice. You know, it's nice. But most people, I personally would get the black one, or if they had the blue one. But the 8 didn't have the blue. I think that was exclusive to like Best Buy. But guys, check this out: a 6.3-inch touchscreen display, 12 megapixel rear camera, 33 hours of talk time, 64 gigabytes of storage, and Android 9.0, which is Pie already. So that's pretty cool, guys. Like I said, Boost Mobile has it. What's cool about Boost Mobile's website, if you guys don't know, is it doesn't matter if it's a new line, port-in, or an upgrade, everybody gets this promotion. That's what I like about Boost versus like other companies like Metro or Cricket. They'll be like, oh, it's $400, but you can get it for $200 if you port your number. No, this keeps it fair. That's why I like Boost, is they'll keep it fair on their website. Now, of course, in store is a little bit different, but in their website, it's like, hey, you know, everybody will get this price. And like I said, it's a good freaking price. $400 for a pre-owned Note 8. It's really good. And like I said, they do have a 7-day money-back guarantee. So if you order through the website, you do have 7 days to return it if you don't like it. But I don't have many people complaining about pre-owned devices. And sometimes pre-owned could be too, like maybe they got the phone and they don't like it or something, you know. So it says, of course, pre-owned, you also get an exclusive, more than just 7 days. You actually get more warranty. So it says phones are tested for functionality and gently cleansed. Devices may have visible usage, wear and tear. All pre-owned phones come with a 90-day warranty. You can click there to learn more, but basically they're saying they're giving you 90 days, guys. So if the phone's defective or it's not working like it's supposed to, you can return it and they'll either fix it or send you another one. You do get a 6.3-inch Quad HD plus Super AMOLED display, man. That's a big display. Of course, 12 megapixel dual pixel main camera, 8 megapixel front facing camera, and some quick specs, guys. Like I said, 3,300 milliamp battery, which is nice. Non-removable battery. You do get 6 gigs of RAM, guys. That is enough to play PUBG in like high definition. You know, this is a flagship phone. 64 gigabytes of ROM with external micro SD card support up to 256 gigabyte. Octa-core processor, a 2.35 gigahertz quad plus a 1.9 gigahertz quad. And like I said, it's already updated to Android 9.0 Pie, which is very nice. So overall, I think this phone is a really good deal, guys. Let me know in the comments below what you think. Like I said, yes, the phone might be maybe like a year old since the Note 9 is already out, but $400 for a pre-owned Note 8 is a really good deal, sweet deal at that. So yeah, let me know in the comments below what you think. Are you excited for this? Are you going to get it, or maybe not? Is this a good deal? You know, did you guess it right? So yeah, let me know all that in the description below. So please smash that like button, subscribe, comment, and rate, and all that good stuff. You can also, you know, hit that little bell so you'll be notified when I upload more videos. And let me know if you want me to get this phone. I doubt it, just because it's been out already. I'm working on the Moto G7 Play review right now, And so far, so good. But yeah, please comment, rate, subscribe. Like I said, guys, if you want to support me, you can via my PayPal in the description below, or you can check out my #1 supporter, netbuddy.co. They offer true unlimited AT&T Hotspot, never throttled or capped, for only $60 a month. But if you use my link and promo code at checkout, you will save $5. That promo code is Sanchez45973. Thank you, guys. Check it out, share the video, and all that nice stuff. And wait, because there's a lot more stuff coming your way. So thank you.